Welcome to Church Media Production. I'm Andrew. Today we're going to be deboxing the Blackmagic Web Presenter and the smart panel attachment that goes on the front so you can see what's actually going on. So let's get started. Packaging wise, it's pretty simple, so let's get the plastic off. We're going to use our screwdriver this time. Just loosen that a little bit and then you can pull it straight across. So this is the USB version, as you can see on the back here. So we'll slide that open. Then you have a nice little welcome card. Talks about it. Software and manual here, but you might as well get that straight from the website. Side of it, you got the web presenter itself, and then you got the little rubber feet for it, and an empty container. So on this, there's not much to it. You got inside here your little toggle switches, which we can look at once I take this faceplate off. And then on the back, you have your mic input, your stereo left and right, HDMI out, HDMI in, SDI out, and SDI in, and another SDI out for the loop out. Then you have your USB, because this is the USB version, and they do have multiple versions. Then you have your power. And then inside this guy, for the little smart panel, pop that case box open, get your little anti-static bag, which I've actually already opened, as you can see. I tore the little label. There's not much to that, it's just a smart panel, one little attachment, screw holes, and you got all your little switches and stuff. And then to put that on, you just gotta take off these 4 screws. And then you do the same thing over here. So once those are out, this literally just pops off. The little switches, which there's a key on the bottom side if you need to know which one does what. And then your USB, which you have to use that USB when you go to update it. Just take this, make sure the little connectors down, and you just kind of snap it in, kind of pops in a little bit. So that's in there. Then we're gonna flip that upside down, the little rubber feet on. And there are little holes in the bottom that help you put the rubber feet where they should go. Okay, so that's pretty much it to the little web presenter here, as far as the deboxing goes. So I hope you enjoy this video. Be sure to give it a like and leave us a comment down below, and make sure you subscribe so you can stay updated whenever we post new videos.